I guess the organic shea butter is working. What do you guys think? Hi everyone, it's Cat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with a heart. And in today's episode, we will be doing a product review on the Athr Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette. Yes! I actually got this from the Ipsy Glam Bag X, and I'm so excited to use this because you know what? It's full of promises. First and foremost, I love that it's made in the USA, and it's also vegan, cruelty-free, and it's also made of clean ingredients. And this one also has organic coconut oil. It also has organic shea butter. So let's see if that will give us a buttery texture on the application. Yes! So without further ado, let's open this beauty. Oh my gosh! So this is she. Yes, look at that. So pretty. And look, you also get like a cute tarot card as well. And it says, tenacious is the lioness of the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout. Yes! So here she is. Let's open her. So I haven't used any of this just so that we can really explore on it together. Yes! So without further ado, let's start with this color right here. Oh, by the way, I also prepped my eye with the Beauty Crop Stock On You Eyeshadow Primer. Yes! So let's start with this color right here. And I'm gonna apply it first right on the outside of my eyelids. And then I'm going to, oh, you know what? So far, this one is performing quite well. So there's no patchiness yet. So let's see if it's going to be the same for the rest of them. I guess the organic shea butter is working. What do you guys think? So let's put a little bit more. And then after that, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna proceed to the next color. I mean, it's really hard to say the names because the names are actually in this film. So I'm just gonna show you which colors I'm using. And then you know what? Let's actually try the color right on top of it. So we actually have like a good gradual transition. And we're going to apply that right in the middle. You know what I must say? This one actually so far has a very good buttery texture. Oh my gosh. Those essential oils are working. Do you believe that? Because you know what? Sometimes when I use eyeshadow palettes, sometimes I'm like, do really just put those ingredients just so that it can be more marketable? But you know what? On this sense, it looks like it's doing the job. Yes! Look at that. And then after that, let's actually try this color right here. So far, I'm very happy. There's also not a lot of fallout that I've experienced so far. And this one actually, I believe, is almost kind of like a neutral lilac. And then I'm gonna apply that right towards the middle. Look at that. Oh my gosh! And then let's actually try this color right here as our crease color. And then we're gonna apply that right on the crease. And then we're just gonna blend it in towards the inner. You know what? That's actually a pretty color, but it doesn't seem like it's enough to be a crease color. So I'm gonna mix it with the inner corner color. So let's put a little bit more, a little bit more. Oh my gosh, what's happening to me? Oh my gosh. I'm having all my accent problems lately. So we're just going to like glide that in. Oh my gosh, look at that. Who would think that it would be so easy to do a purple smoky eye, right? And we're gonna do just like a rainbow effect again. So I'm sorry about that. I live next to the street. So if you hear any cars, I apologize. And then you know what? Let's actually try this color right here as our highlight on our inner corner. Just to see, it's kind of like, I would say, a periwinkle greenish blue. Let's actually put that right there, meaning towards the crease. And then, what do you guys think? Oh wow. I mean, this one has a little bit of some chunky glitter in them. I'm not sure that's something that I would like. So let's actually go back to this just to blend it in. But you know what? They're on the same color combination anyway. I mean, color family. So it should be fine. You know what? As long as we just like blend everything in, they're all going to just like marry together. And you know what? Just so that it's not going to be too much of a drastic white, let's go back to this and mix it with that. And apply a little bit more of that right on the crease. meeting a little bit more of that periwinkle bluish white. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I'm so in love so far. And then after that, you know what? Let's actually connect right on the bottom lash line. I'm actually going to apply this color first, just so that we can actually have that gradual transition. Going to apply that right on the lower lash line. The darker color actually had a little bit of fallout, but that's okay because we actually gave some space for us to be able to connect the bottom lash line. Then we're gonna do that right on the inner corner as well. But so far, it's really working well. I mean, it's not really giving me a hard time because you know what? Some eyeshadow sometimes, it's like so tricky. Then let's just like blend it a little bit on the side. What do you guys think? And then you know what? Let's actually do a little bit of this as well. Just so that it can actually marry the darker color that we applied on the side. Then let's just like blend that in halfway through the eye. You know what? Let's actually just go a little bit all the way in. And to add a little bit of drama, let's actually add some black eyeliner, which is this right on the inner bottom lash line. And then that's gonna go well with like the darker shade that we applied right on the side. And then after that, this is actually the Pixie by Petra eyeliner as well. As you all know, this is my favorite. This is actually a new color that I got. It's basically black, but the color of this is Black Noir. Then let's just apply a little bit right on the outside of the lash line to smoke it out a little bit. And then let's go back to our blending brush and just blend it in to really smoke it out. Just so that there's not much of a demarcation. And then after that, let's just go back to the shadow as well, which is this. Let's actually combine the darker shade as well as the deeper purple. And let's apply it right there. And then towards the inner corner. On that note, what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna match this side on this side, and then after that, whatever colors that we did not apply here, we're gonna swatch it and I'll be able to give you my overall review, okay? So just wait for me and I'll put some lashes and some lips as well. I'll be back! And I'm back, and now it's time for our final thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. So first and foremost, I'm super happy with all the colors that we used on our eyes. Now let's actually swatch the other colors that we weren't able to use. So let's actually start with this. Oh my gosh, look at that. That dark teal. I mean, that's super buttery. Now let's actually try the gray. That's buttery as well. So far, the masks are performing so well. Now, let's actually try the 4 colors right in the middle. Let's actually try this bright turquoise eyeshadow. So that's actually not as dark as I expected it to be. So now let's actually try the green. Let's actually put it right here. That's actually quite mild as well. Now, let's actually try the lighter color. Let's see if that's gonna perform well. Let's gonna put it right here. The pink is really pretty. I mean, the pinky purple. That I would say is so far my favorite among the 4 of this. And let's actually try a little bit of the darker purple. That's actually pretty as well. Yes, like really buttery. And then let's actually try this one right here, because I haven't tried this one. Let's actually try it right here. That's pretty good too, yes! So there you go. That's actually my overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure if I can stress it even further how much I love this. You know what? I can actually say that perhaps the shea butter and some of the essential ingredients that they claim that are in here really work. Because sometimes I actually think that a lot of companies only use that for gimmick purposes. But on this time, I actually think that it works, and it's also my first time to actually apply or use an eyeshadow palette from the Athr beauty company. So I'm looking forward to exploring more of their products next time as well. So again, my overall thoughts on this is, it's a check, it's a winner. How about you? What do you guys think? Do you think it's a winner as well? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And there you have it for our product review. If you enjoyed this video, please support it by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as product reviews, hope you can consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Alicat Castle, telling you that you are beautiful with or without makeup. And you deserve all the best in this world because you're special. And I love you. Bye!